In this video, we will show you two different ways you can make an elevator in Minecraft, including how to make a water elevator and a redstone elevator. Elevators are a great and fun way to try out different mechanics of building and reach higher areas. Start by creating two glass tubes using glass blocks and build it up to the level you want. At the bottom and top, make sure to leave a 2-block gap so you're able to enter and exit the elevator. Place 2 signs in front of each opening. This will stop the water from flowing out. Add water into each tube from the top of the elevator. Then place kelp all the way to the top in each tube. After placing the kelp, break the bottom kelp on each side to remove them. This will make the water flowing blocks into water source blocks. On the right side of the elevator will be the way up, and the left side will be the way down. In order to create a way up and a way down, you will need a block of soul sand and a magma block. Replace the bottom block on the right using soul sand to create the way up, and place the magma block on the left side for the way down. Start by creating 3 2-block holes in a line. Make the third block towards the back a block lower, and break a block on each side which will eventually look like a cross shape. Add redstone on the 2 blocks next to each other. Then add a redstone lamp in the middle. Use the block of your choice and add it towards the front with a stone button on it. Add an observer on top of the redstone lamp and a slime block on top of that. Then add a sticky piston on either side of the slime block and 2 slime blocks on top of each piston. Make sure there aren't any blocks sticking to the slime blocks. Add an upside down sticky piston on top of the middle slime block and an upside down observer on top of that piston. Close the gap in the middle and add 2 blocks on top of each other on either side to hide the slime blocks behind. Next, we're going to work on the top part of the elevator. Build 4 blocks up and then add obsidian above the observer block below. Add a redstone lamp under the obsidian. Place 3 blocks in front of the lamp and add a stone button in the middle. And that's it for the top. You can now use the blocks of your choice to create a design for the elevator and improve its look. While you're building the design, you must add 2 obsidian blocks on top of each other to the right and left side of the elevator. Make sure that the top block of the obsidian is at the same level as the redstone lamp. break the blocks under the obsidian. Build 2 pillars leading to the bottom part of the elevator. Now you can improve the look of the elevator on the bottom. You can place some glowstone inside the elevator to add some light. Fill the gap using glass all the way to the top. And now your elevator is finished.